When inspecting bedrooms, I always start with the windows. Windows will present the most opportunity for water to get in. So I always start my inspections there, being sure that I check the window headers, jambs, and sill, which is all four sides of the window. If possible, open the window and get a clearer view of the exterior condition. Be sure that all material transitions are sealed properly with 100% silicone caulking. Also, scan your windows with the thermal imaging camera to be sure there aren't hidden pockets of air or moisture. When scanning exterior walls, I inspect from floor to ceiling to be sure that there are no hidden pockets of moisture or water. Where air can get in, water can get in. Always remember that during your inspection. Here we're scanning the soffit area, which usually hides an HVAC duct. HVAC ducts are one of the most compromised installations within a home due to how easy duct tape removes from the actual duct seam, causing any condensation to pool and then be able to deposit within the wall system. Always scan your soffits to be sure that there are no hidden pockets of moisture.